am Shivam Yadav, BTech first year, Benedict University. My project is Student Management System and Employee Payroll System. It was a great experience for me to work with such a nice team. In our second semester, we were introduced to a new language called Java. It was very hard for me to cope up with this language as it is a new language for me. My teammates helped me a lot, and now I can say that I am somewhat familiar with this language. During this project, I got to know many things about Java, like how to use classes, make GUI using Java, and database connectivity. And now I can say that it will help me a lot in future.
Hi guys, I am Vishal, BTech first year, Benedict University. Experience about this project was good. I learned many things like Java, which was our core language, and a little bit about GUI and database connectivity. I also learned about Android Studio, which was tough, but my teammates helped me a lot in that. In the end, I would like to say that it was a great time and it will help me in future a lot. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shaurya. I am Mike, and we are pursuing BTech from Benedict University. So, 3 or 4 months back, we were being told of making a project that will solve public related issues, but we end up making a project that will solve a problem which is there in Bennett. So, we have made a project that is Student Management System and Employee Payroll System, and we call it as SMEMPS, that is Student Management System and Employee Payroll System. So, Shaurya will tell you something about Student Management System.
So, student management system. In this, you basically you enter the details, and it is managed by a person, single person, that is the admin. The admin. So, what it does is actually the admin is asks the student for his details and enters the details, which is stored in the database. And now I will tell you about payroll system.
Our whole project is divided into two, what we can say, two categories or two slots. The first slot that Shaurya told you about is student management system, and in student management system, the only end user is only the admin, and we can change the admin and the audit trail details. So basically, as an overview, only a single user can use student management system, and it is perfectly that can use by any college also. So in which even in the student management system, you can store a student personal details with an photograph also. Whether it is 4K or 1080p or 720p, it just holds a total photo itself. So in the second category, that is our employee payroll system. Employee payroll system is a so in employee management system, there are mainly 3 or 4 categories. The first category is just same like the student management system that in which you can store personal details or whatever. What are the details of
The personal details of the employee.
overall details of an employee. And through though the name is payroll management system, so it contains function related to payroll. So we have put details like you can edit his salary, you can calculate his salary, you can deduct also his salary according to how much days he was present or how much days he was present, and you can calculate his allowance also. So it's
Also,
all
can generate the payroll PDF.
yeah, we have also a PDF converted. After all that processes, you can create a salary slip of an employee or any of the employee that you have in mind.
And coming to the experience part, it was really a good experience working with this team. The basic things that I learned were the managing things in a team, how we work in a team.
Yeah, managing was a really tough task.
Such tough task. It was really tough, but overall it was a good experience. I learned a lot. Actually, I would say we learned a lot. Java being the core language in this semester.
And being a software engineer, this is a very fruitful experience that we are just learning from our side that Java is not an easy language, and SQL is the mother of database, and connecting both two languages was a really tough task. We were getting really big problems in connecting Java with database connectivity and connecting our project to the database. So it was a tough one, but
Eventually we managed.
we really managed, and as I said, managing the management of team was the main problem that occurred between a team is that you don't know initial stage. So asking them, Shivam, you have to do that, Vishal, you have to do this, Shaurya, we have to do this. So managing something like this was really a tough task, but in between the period of 3 or 4 months, it was really.
We just pulled off.
Yeah. And at the end of, at this time, we are really compatible with each other and we are just